Boy, what a mess to clean up in Kansas City, Missouri. Look at this. I mean, it's kind of rare when you see a derailment happening right before your eyes. It all started when the train was coming around a curve and one of the cars started to wobble and rock back and forth. There it is, one more time. That's how it all begins. And then like an accordion, the rest of the train just starts to fold up. Not clear if weather played a role, but it was pretty icy when this happened. Nobody was hurt, but you could tell there was going to be plenty of cleanup, that's for sure.